back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, we are continuing our series, the ultimatemedium.com course, part 27 of 30, how to find the most search tags for your medium.com stories, my friends. So let's start, my friends. I'm going to click right, and what I'm going to do is go to, wait a minute, go to story, uh, more settings, and in more settings we have this option, the 5 topics or tags, you may call it, the most searched tags for your medium stories. This is what we are looking for, my friends. So my friends, for example, I am working on ChatGPT, so I'm going to be sharing this information with you. First we are going to write ChatGPT. So here it used to show the number of it shows a number, my friends, in front of the tag on how many times it has been used, to be honest with you. So I want to see the numbers. Actually, I'm going to stories, and I'm just going to delete this up draft, because I made it for you guys, and I'm going to this story, the latest story that I created. I'm going to story settings. So my friends, I'm going to show Amazon ChatGPT artificial intelligence technology in future. I'm going to remove all of these because I want to show you the numbers, my friends. So I'm going to add topic Amazon. My friends, it's not showing me the tags, but once you I think I haven't saved it. Let's see, story settings, back to story, right, just write something, publish, and now I'm going to show you the tags, my friends. ChatGPT, you see the number most searched tags. So it shows me that ChatGPT is the most searched one with 9.6k following. 9.6k people follow this topic, ChatGPT, my friends. I'll add this. I'll go to AI. AI has 101k followers. I'll write artificial intelligence. It has 207k. So obviously we are going to ditch AI topic for artificial intelligence, and then we have machine learning. Machine learning has 221,000. We are going to choose that. We are going to choose technology. 506k, the most, and we are going to choose future. We have future data science. This is a powerful tag, 201k. We have programming, 277k, my friends. So with the method that I showed you guys, my friends, you can see the actual number of people following the specific tag, how many people are searching for it, and then obviously you just select that tag, and this is as simple as that. There is nothing simpler than finding tags with the most searched tags on Medium. This is the most simple way, And an additional bonus, if for example you want related tags, so I'll write artificial intelligence because I'm working on this niche. So you see all the publications, the top publications, the people, the top people, and you can see, go to the top matching artificial intelligence topics, see all. Wait. So we don't have that much information over here, my friends. But what you can also do, my friends, is um, what you can also do is, for example, this guy over here, the revolution has happened. We can go to his Medium story, Michael Jordan, and see which tags he is using, or maybe check it out which tags he is using. Machine learning, statistics, data science, technology. You see, you can see the tags what other people are using as well, and you can search them up while publishing your Medium story, and those will get you the exact stats on how many people are searching for this specific topic, my friends. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video, my friends. Stay tuned for part 28 is coming right up.